Miguel Dorati back here at the iBob Vaults, and we're going to hit you with a boxing video blog. We got some boxing coming to us from Dublin, Ireland this Saturday, February 6th, and they're getting attention at the sport books on some of these main events. The fights are at the National Stadium in Dublin. 10 fights overall, promoted by Frank Warren and Matthew Macklin. Matthew Macklin obviously still an active fighter, but also getting into the promoting game there. 10 fights now. National Stadium, you kind of think, you know, big 60,000 seat arena, soccer stadium and sort of thing. Not in Ireland. These guys, National Stadium there is a national boxing stadium. It's a 2,000 seat arena. They've been using it for like 100 years to box. Great night of boxing there, great live fights. Main events here, 10 rounders with a couple of WBO regional belts on the line, both belts vacant. Super welterweight title being contested between Danny Butler and Gary Corcoran, two British fighters. This is Frank Warren's influence on the card here. You got Corcoran minus 365. You got Butler coming in at plus 305. Competitive bout there for the WBO super welterweight title, intercontinental title there. The vacant WBO European title is on the line at lightweight between Jamie Cavanaugh and Antonio Joe Bento. Cavanaugh minus 7,000 favorite, obviously the local fighter there. Bento coming in at plus 3,000. So you got one match with a reasonable line there, and the other one just sky high with Cavanaugh, the huge favorite. Like I said, 10 fights on the card. There's a lot of good fights on the undercard. 4 6-rounders, a couple 8-rounders. If you're anywhere near the National Stadium in Ireland, that's obviously the place to be. If not, we'll be on the lookout for results. I'm Miguel Dorati. We'll talk to you after the fights.